the largest clay refrigerator in the world. Before the water piping systems and advanced refrigerators came into operation, Muayidi Ice House has provided the ice and water needs of the people of Kerman for years. Clay refrigerators are buildings that were used to store ice with clay and mud. The creativity used in these structures was such that they kept ice in them during the peak of summer heat. During my trip to this city, you can see the wonderful historical mansion of the kings. Raw clay and mud mortar were used to build this building. The characteristic of raw clay is that it acts as a thermal insulator and does not allow heat to enter the refrigerator. After the electricity came to Iran and the ice factories were built, the Muayidi Ice House lost its efficiency and was a place of garbage collection until 2013. This year, the Cultural Heritage Organization restored it and it was used as a tourist attraction. Ice making. The water of this ice house was directed to the end of the ice house by aqueducts. There were holes in the ice house that channeled some water onto the ice masses, of course. This amount of water was not much because the intention was to freeze every night. This issue tells about the precise level of freezing levels. After the ice reaches 30 to 40 meters in diameter, they are divided into several pieces and stored in ice sources. The ice warehouses were circular. Each piece of ice that was placed in the warehouse was covered with some straw to prevent them from sticking together. Nowadays, this part has become a cultural and artistic place. The roof of this building is designed as a cone to minimize the amount of sunlight absorption. Also, 20 meters high walls have been built around this large cone to keep the refrigerator's temperature low by creating shade. If you are interested in traveling to Iran, don't miss my videos, and thanks for watching.